Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and also upload important market-related news. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional setup. Yes, I do have got a green screen, but I don't get time to edit my videos, so I have just skipped the idea of editing the videos with good background. Okay, so just doing this from the comfort of my room. So without any delay, let's get started. The first stock that I have got in front of me right now is TC Energy. Mm, you can see on the screen that I have already marked the support level and resistance level. Okay, so what do we need to do and what should be our strategy? Hmm. So we can see that there is a good amount of resistance at 56. Okay, this 56 level and support at 54 level. So the strategy will be very simple. Okay, right now it is trading at 55.11. So if it moves to 56 level, okay, if it reaches this particular level, then you should look for some reversal signs. If you spot some reversal signs like the shooting star, or if you're using any indicator, then you are free to use your own indicator. If you spot some reversal sign at 56 level, then you can short the market. And if it goes down today, and if it comes down to this particular level, and if you spot price rejection from below, then yes, go ahead and you can place the buy order. Just remember, the confirmation is important. Okay, and if there is a breakout after reaching this particular level 56, you can go ahead and look for buy order. uh, if it crosses this particular level after going down, you can short also. But yes, do remember, you need the confirmation with the help of an indicator, candlestick pattern, whatever. But yes, do not neglect the confirmation. That's it. Okay, so the second stock that I have front of me right now, or that I filtered, sorry, is Toronto Dominion Bank. Toronto Dominion Bank. There is not much support available. Yes, there is support available, but if I look at the chart, and I'm not saying any concrete support. Okay, that is what that I need to mention. I'll be looking at a one-day chart also. I forgot to check on the one-day chart. I'll be checking. Okay, but I would like to mention one thing. Right now, it is trading at 75.16, and as you can see, on 9th Feb, after reaching the 75.21 level, it came down. Okay, so this particular level states that there is a seller present, or there is someone or a big boy who are not allowing the price to go above 75.21 level. So right now we can say that it's almost at the resistance level, so it will be very important to see, okay, what happens. There is a high chance that after reaching this particular level, uh, it may go down, and if it goes down, you can short the market. If you short the market, your target will be 74.73, and if it gives a breakout after crossing this particular level, then you can go ahead and buy. Let me check the one day chart for the support. Okay, there is, let me remove the drawing. Remove drawing. Okay, support available at 73.35. Yeah, support available. Anyways, just see what happens today. If it opens at this particular level, then and shows some selling pressure, yes, you can surely go ahead and short. And if it goes down and reaches 73, what was the level? 73.5, 73.35, I guess. Okay, then you can place the buy order. So the next stock that I have figured out is CP, Canadian Pacific Railway. Canadian Pacific Railway, see, I have already marked two levels. The first level here is the resistance level. It is right now trading at 451.01. Okay. Um, I'll say that this see right now it was almost going down. Okay, so if it comes down to 447.23 level, or the level that I have marked with the help of this orange line, then you can easily buy. Okay, you can easily buy, but do remember, just take the confirmation with the help of candlestick pattern or stochastic RSI. Okay, you can buy because there is a high chance that it will bounce from this particular level, 447 level, and if it goes up also, then there is a high possibility that it will show reversal from 440 sorry 455.45 level. Okay, this is the reasons. So you can buy here, sell here, or you can short here and buy here, same thing, vice versa. You can do whatever you like, or the way the market moves. It's simple. These type of markets are very easy to trade. Generally people say that sideways market are the main enemies of traders, but I feel that sideways markets are also pretty easy to trade if you can spot the correct levels. See, if it bounces from here easily, you can buy here and sell at this level. Okay, so isn't it easy? Okay, the next stock is FTS. Fortis. Fortis main resistance available at or the big one available at 52.57, and it has supported this particular level 51.40 to 51.20. So right now trading at 51.6. If it comes down and reaches this particular level, you can go ahead and buy. If it bounces from here, then your target will be 51.8. You can buy at 51.4 and sell at 51.80. And if it crosses this level also, then your next target will be 52.20, and your ultimate target should be for the day 52.57. Okay, then let's look at the next stock. It's Agnico Eagle Mines Limited. Okay, I'm running out of time. I need to wrap up the video within 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, it's 7:46. Okay, Agnico Eagle. Agnico Eagle. Okay, Agnico Eagle. Not much to say. Right now trading at 90.32. Hmm. Mm, this should be a no trading zone. I'll say that do not trade here. If it reaches 93 point this level, 93.12 level, then you can short it. Okay, then we can short it, and if it gives a breakout after reaching this level with some good volume, then you can also go ahead and buy, because that will be a breakout, proper breakout. The next stock and the last stock for the day is Brookfield Renewable Partners. Okay, same thing here also. Right now trading at 59.15, and no need to trade, no need to hurry, just wait for the stock to reach 62.15 level, this particular level. Okay, when it will reach this particular level, just observe, and if it goes down after hitting this particular zone, just short it. Easy money. And your target, your first target should be 60 point, I'd say 60.5, and your next target could be 60.60. Okay, and your ultimate target could be 59. That's it. Yeah, I have wrapped up the video within time. Anyways, thank you so much. Hopefully you have liked the video, and if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much, and yeah, good luck.